How to enable gesture navigation. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also looking for ways to enable a gesture navigation onto your Android device, just like that of iPhone, whenever you have to scroll up or clear all the apps, you can basically drag and drop from the bottom of your screen to swipe down all of the apps, which makes it looks like cool. So if you also want such cool navigation gesture onto your Android device rather than this old fashioned this button over here, so instead of that, what you can do is just head over to your settings onto your device, and once you're inside here, simply scroll all the way down until you see the option that is display. So for now it's already here, so simply tap on that, and from over here you just have to scroll down until you see the option that is navigation bar. So just tap on that, and as you can see, there are currently two options. So currently I've selected buttons, so it's showing buttons for me. So let me just quickly select it once again and change it to swipe gesture by simply tapping on it, and you just have to wait for a few seconds. And as you can see, now I can simply use my gestures to come back to my home screen of my settings, and you can even do like this from this bottom of my screen, as I said previously, to clear all the apps. So that is exactly how you can easily enable gestures navigation on your Android device. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.